Humtown is the global leader in additive and conventional manufacturing of complex sand cores and molds. Our motto is always innovating, always looking to improve the solutions that benefit our clients, like our dual path methodology. This is how it works. Our dual path process gives you the best of both worlds in core and mold production. We excel at combining traditional and toolingless 3D core and mold production for maximum advantage. You've designed your final part and now it's time to get it made. At Humtown, we provide options to get your parts made more quickly. The dual path. While your tooling is being made traditionally, our toolingless 3D process can get the ball rolling immediately. It all starts with the digital file. You give us your CAD model via file transfer. Your digital file arrives at Humtown Additive and our toolingless 3D process begins immediately, a time-saving benefit of the dual path. Our rows of 3D printers work 24/7, continually creating your cores and molds. 3D printing is not just for prototyping anymore. Fresh from printing, your order is cleaned and packaged and ready for shipping, all within 1 to 2 weeks, utilizing toolingless 3D printing. Where does conventional production enter the dual path? As your cores and molds are busy being printed in 3D, your tooling is being created in a pattern shop in preparation for mass production. Tooling is now completed and installed on a conventional machine. The additive core making of the past several weeks subsides as the traditional process and its ability to mass produce your order takes over, creating cost savings per piece. In most cases, conventional production has fulfilled your order in 16 to 20 weeks. Several months down the road, if you have completely utilized your tooling, you can reactivate 3D printing once again to supplement your order. Humtown's exclusive dual path process brings proven benefits to your shop. Your bulk product arrives in near record time with an absolute minimum of scrap pieces. This is the result of 60 years of bringing innovation to the industry every day. Humtown, always innovating.